Hello guys, welcome to Online Cash. Today we'll be talking about a platform called luckywatch. So the name of this platform is luckywatch. Basically, you earn on this platform by watching videos, and the minimum withdrawal is either 0.2 or 0.1 dollars. So I'll take you through the app and how you can earn money easily on this app. So like I said before, it's a platform, actually a website, um where you can watch video and earn money. So this is the dashboard after registering with your with the link in the description section of this video or at the comment section. After registering with your email and your password, it will bring you to this dashboard. As you can see, this is a new account. I'm having 0.000 dollars, so it's a new account. So first way you can earn by watching videos. This is the basic way you can literally earn. Okay, so let's go. um you can see account verification. It will take no more than 30 seconds. So checked. So go to session. So you can see YouTube views get paid for watching short videos on YouTube. Viewing duration 50 seconds. You can see just for 50 seconds. And we every day we analyze your account and set individual limit for videos views per hour and per day. This is necessary for YouTube to count all your views. So videos per day, and the amount of video you can watch per day is 400, and videos per hour is 50. So let's say in 100, 200, 300, 400. So let's say in 8 hours you'll be through with the 400 videos if you want to watch the 400 videos in a day, if you have that time to do it. So if you want to watch video, you just go straight to watch video, you tap on it. So it will take you to YouTube. Here you watch the video for about 15
Is
seconds.
Onana still the problem?
It was
And
never the problem in the first place.
Please call now.
so I'll pause it so that, so as you can see, your view has been counted. You can watch more videos or come back to watch later. So you can see for just one video I made 0.0025 USDT credited to balance. So you can tap on next video or you tap on close. So that's how you literally earn on this platform. And another way you can earn is by referring your friends. So when you copy your referral link or your bonus code, you will be given a reward. So for every friend you invite, if they watch video, through that video you'll be getting paid. So that is it. Now, how do you withdraw from this platform? You tap on payout. So you can see you can withdraw through payer, wallet, tron TRX, USDT BEP20. So you can even withdraw with Binance. So you can see USDT BEP20, you have minimum withdrawal of 0.2 dollars. So that is great. This platform is actually great. So platform like this easily crash. So um just take advantage of this platform now, as they are started um now, because they just started. So take advantage of this platform, start now, so that you can accumulate and withdraw from this platform before they crash. So you can see, to withdraw funds you need to confirm your email address. I've not confirmed, like I said before, this is a new account. So you just tap on confirm and do that yourself. You get? So if you have any question about this platform, you can put it at the comment section and I will do it to answer you. And what again? You can see by views. If you're a YouTuber and you want viewers, you can see by YouTube views. As you can see here, just tap on buy and they will show you the instructions. So This is how you can easily use this platform. Thank you for watching, and if you want more of this video, just do well to like and subscribe.